Charley O'Hara in our studios this morning to answer your legal questions. If you have one, please give us a call, 436-1212. He's happy to answer those and provide some great advice. In the meantime, while we're waiting for those, Charley, you and I were talking in the break. A lot of talk right now in the Wichita area about a FBI investigation into several people in Wichita. This is something, as an attorney, you follow closely because you hear a lot of things in terms of people in the public just making comments and assumptions about what should or should not happen with this.
Well, and we shouldn't do anything. No one should draw any conclusions from this other than there's an investigation going on. Investigation, I mean, we're innocent until proven guilty in the United States, and the fact that something's being investigated doesn't mean that there's anything there. It means they're investigating it. I mean, they wouldn't be looking at people's phones or listening to people's phones if they already had evidence against them, because they would just charge them. They're looking at there to determine whether there's some kind of a crime there, and we need to be patient and not make conclusions and not assume people are guilty just because something is being investigated.
And that patience can be difficult because we just learned about this whole investigation within the last couple of weeks. We know that the wiretaps happened back in 2015, and we don't know anything that happened before that and since then. So there's this big gap of time, and so once we hear about it, a lot of people are like, all right, well, let's do this already. And these investigations take a lot of time as prosecutors are trying to build a case against somebody who they believe committed a crime.
Well, and when we say trying to build a case, that may not be what's going on. They've got reports of something, they've got some idea of something, they're seeing if it's true. It may not be true. They're just seeing if this is true. So to assume that somebody's done something wrong because of what we've heard is just unfair to everybody. It's against our system. We have a process that they're supposed to go through. That's why the judges sign things, the judges review things. There has to be evidence of probable cause to get things done. We're not there yet, and we need to be really patient and not make conclusions about people.
Well, and even if FBI is able to get information and leads to charges, still, that's just
you're still innocent until proven guilty.
Process.
I mean, they don't even have the charges yet.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
As always, Charley, thank you for coming in. We appreciate your time. Time now approaching 8:49. We'll be back right after this.